Hi traders, and welcome to episode 305 of the Trading Talk series. Today I'm excited to unveil one of the latest updates within the TradeViewX platform, a feature designed to provide you with greater insight into the inner workings of your algorithm. This new addition offers a visual representation of the calculations occurring within your algo, giving you a real-time glimpse into its decision-making process. Furthermore, we've introduced a remarkable way for you to track your strategy's progress in the markets. By setting signals at each step of your strategy sequence, you'll be able to observe how your algorithm navigates the dynamic landscape of the markets. By visualizing the calculations and progression of your strategies, you'll gain a deeper appreciation for the mechanics behind your algorithm's decisions, enhancing your ability to fine-tune and optimize your approach. I hope you enjoyed this week's episode of Trading Talk, and until next week, all the best with your trading.